Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can create custom watermarks in Word that use your own text or picture and apply them to your Word documents. To create custom watermarks in Word, click the Design tab in the ribbon. Then click the Watermark button in the Page Background button group. In the drop-down menu that appears, select the Custom Watermark command to open the Printed Watermark dialog box. The choices you have for creating a watermark all appear in this dialog box. The default option is the No Watermark option. To remove a custom watermark you have applied in the future if needed, simply select the No Watermark option again. To create a custom picture watermark, first select the Picture Watermark option button. Then click the Select Picture button to open the Insert Pictures dialog box. This dialog box contains three options. To use a picture from your computer, click the Browse button next to the From a File choice to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Navigate using the Insert Picture dialog box to find and select the local image file to use. Then click the Insert button in this dialog box to finish. Alternatively, to look for an image using the Bing image search, type your keyword or phrase by which to find an image into the Search Bing field next to the Bing image search label. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the adjacent Search Bing button, which looks like a magnifying glass at the right end of the field, to show the results of the image search within this dialog box. Click to select the image to use in this dialog box, and then click the Insert button to finish. Alternatively, to use a picture saved to your associated OneDrive account, click the Browse button next to the OneDrive link to show all of your OneDrive folders within this dialog box. Then click a folder to show its contents in this dialog box. If needed, you can click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of this dialog box to move back to the previous folder. Once you find the image to insert in your OneDrive folders, click it to select it, and then click the Insert button in the dialog box to finish. After selecting the picture to insert by using the Insert Pictures dialog box, you then return to the Printed Watermark dialog box. Then use the Scale drop-down to select the scale to use to show the watermark image in the document. To fade the image, which is almost always a requirement of using a watermark, check the Washout checkbox. To instantly apply the watermark and leave this dialog box open, click the Apply button. Alternatively, to apply the watermark and close the dialog box, click the OK button instead. To create a custom text watermark, instead choose the Text Watermark option button within the Printed Watermark dialog box. Then use the Language drop-down to select the watermark's language. Then type the text you want the watermark to display into the Text drop-down field. Alternatively, select one of the commonly used watermark text choices from this drop-down instead. Select the font to use for the watermark by making a choice from the Font drop-down. Then set the size of the font to use by making a choice from the Size drop-down. To select a color for the watermark text, choose one from the Color drop-down. To ensure the text watermark is faded, check the Semi-Transparent checkbox. Then select whether to display the watermarked text diagonally or horizontally in the document by choosing either the diagonal or horizontal option button in the Layout section. To instantly apply the watermark and leave this dialog box open, then click the Apply button. Alternatively, to apply the watermark and close the dialog box, click the OK button instead. If needed, to close the Printed Watermark dialog box after applying a watermark, click the Close button that then appears in the Printed Watermark dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.